Hey everybody, welcome back. What's going on? Thank you so much for joining me today for this vlog. It's gonna be like a cleaning slash gardening, organizing vlog. I was actually about to film a makeup tutorial. I curled my hair, which I haven't done in forever. I bought extensions, I got those in, and I was about to sit down and start filming, and Graham had one of his like attacks and ran right into one of my lights. This one. And the bulb broke completely. So I sat down and I tried to see how it looked, to see if I could not use that light, you know, and it looked a little off. And I'm super picky with my videos, so I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna have to just do a vlog today and not have a makeup tutorial up this week. So yeah, that's just what we're gonna have to do. Oh my God, they're crazy. I got this box. Graham is destroying it. Gamby's in it. Look at him. He's a crazy man. Yeah, I'm talking about you. You broke my light bulb. Oh my God. He's really crazy, guys. I'm not kidding. Obviously, the apartment is an absolute mess. I am working from home now, so I feel like the apartment gets messier often, and I have all my work stuff here. This apartment is tiny, guys. It's 660 square feet, so like me and my boyfriend have our work stuff and it's just cramped and messy, so I'm going to just clean it today. I also went to Home Depot yesterday, got this little garden thingy. Do you guys see how nice my nails look, by the way? Oh my God, I love OPI nail polishes. Anyway, sidetracked. We got this little pot thingy for our herbs, and then I have a little tomato plant that I'm gonna plant in there. So there's a ton of things that I want to do, and I figured, why not? You know what? Let's just do a little vlog. No makeup, unfortunately. I have a plant video that I've had way before this COVID-19 pandemic, so I don't know if you guys still want to see that. It's old. I give you like a plant tour, all of my plants, my plant collection. That's what I meant. I show you my plant collection, and then we go plant shopping. Guys, it's really old. I don't know if you guys would want to see it, but let me know down below and I'll post it. I have like half of it edited. So before I start cleaning, let's get these extensions out of my hair. These were really nice. I got them off of Amazon. I will leave the link down below. They feel really nice. I think they were 60 bucks. I bought the wrong size though. I thought this size would be perfect, but it's a little bit too short for my liking. So yeah, let's take these bad boys out because nothing feels better than taking these extensions out. I also changed my shirt. If you know, you know. Also, I was going to change into pants because my legs are so white, but you know what? I don't care. I'm much more comfortable in shorts, so you guys are just gonna have to put some sunglasses on and really stare at these really white legs. So I always start off by doing laundry. Today I'm doing the throw blankets that are on the couch. And for laundry detergent, I use the Tide detergent. Nothing crazy, I switch them up all the time. And then for fabric softener, I'm using Suavitel, which is the best. It lasts, that scent lasts for almost a week, I promise you guys. And now it's time to clean up my filming mess. I know I didn't even get to film, but everything's gotta be put away. So I'm doing that. And then it's also litter box time where I deep clean the litter box. I use Fabuloso and Clorox, scrub it, and then I leave it outside to dry. I didn't show you that because I didn't think that would be, you know, what you guys wanted to see, but you should do this every like 3 weeks. That's when I do it. And then I decided to go outside and plant my herbs. I like how it turned out. The cilantro did not look good and it still doesn't look good, so I purchased a new plant from Home Depot. And then I made a mess, so I figured let me just sweep it off the balcony, let me tidy up the balcony a little bit. And then I decided to come inside and start vacuuming. I have to vacuum my apartment in sections because this vacuum does not last long. So I'm just vacuuming the litter part, the litter box part, and then behind the couch. It was that type of cleaning day where I move all the furniture. And then I took my Chom Chom roller and got all the hair off the couch. Guys, look at this. It's gross, but this thing works. And then once everything is clean and vacuumed, I take my O-Cedar Spin Mop, which is the best, put some Clorox and Fabuloso in, and then I am just mopping the floor. I mop my floor twice, which is why I wear my mopping slippers, because I always walk over it. I just, like, my apartment's so small, why not just mop it twice, you know? And then I put the couch back, and now it's time to vacuum in the crevices and vacuum behind the cushions. It was that kind of day. I was doing almost like a deep clean. Scrunchies are one of Graham's favorite toys, so I find my scrunchies everywhere. With this cleaning day, I found one in the couch, one in his actual, like, toy bin under the couch, so if you have a cat, you know my pain, right? Now I'm gonna be vacuuming behind that section of the couch, and then of course getting rid of all that hair again with my Chom Chom roller. I'm not sponsored at all. It's just like I have to deal with all the pet hair, and I know I'm not the only one. So if you guys are having the same issues as I am, this thing is amazing. So now that that's nice and vacuumed, I am mopping. That was the best clip I could get, I guess. While that section is drying, I'm just going to put the litter box back, put fresh litter in, and then it's good to go. Of course, right when I put the litter box back, the cats are like ready to go inside. They don't have to use the bathroom. They just like to go in, get the litter everywhere, and then I have to re-vacuum. Always happens. So now I'm putting the couch back, and then I'm just getting rid of all the hair on the pillows and of course the cushions, and I'm just vacuuming that side of the couch. Now I'm vacuuming the rug. I also put my throw blanket I got from Amazon. I love that one. I usually only take it out for special occasions, but I decided why not. And then I put my wallflower in from Bath & Body Works. I used mahogany teakwood, and then I'm also spraying the couch with mahogany teakwood now that it's nice and clean. To finish up my living area, well, not really, because I have a lot more to go, but I am cleaning the coffee table. I just sprayed my tray with some glass cleaner and the frame with some glass cleaner, and then I'm gonna wipe my coffee table down with Mrs. Meyer's the lavender scent. Oh my god, I thought basil was my favorite, but the lavender is so freaking good. I love it. He drives me crazy, but he's so cute, okay? I just can't help it. So now here is the freshly cleaned coffee table. Can you believe that book says I hate my cats and there's an orange and a black one? How crazy. So now it's on to cleaning my plant shelf, which is like one of my favorite parts because you guys know I love plants and I just really like the way this shelf looks. So I take pretty much everything down and I wipe it down with a wet microfiber cloth and that Mrs. Meyer's lavender spray. And my apartment just gets so dusty, so I have to dust everywhere, the metal bars, everything. So that's what I'm doing here, and I do this once a week because it does get dusty, so please enjoy. So now onto my TV stand. Just a quick shout out, Animal Crossing guys. I've been obsessed. I play it on my Switch. If you guys play, let me know down below. It has taken over my life. So I'm just wiping down this little floating shelf that I have on top of the TV. I didn't do that good of a job on camera, but I swear I really wiped it down, took the plants off and everything. So now I'm just vacuuming this portion of the living room, and then I'm gonna go ahead and mop as well. I will leave everything that I can down below, like the spin mop, my mopping slippers, my shirt, my shorts, like my tray, that throw blanket. I will leave everything down below if you guys are interested. So definitely check the links out down below. After mopping that whole section, I'm just going to wipe down my desk. I had already done this when I tried to start filming, so I'm just doing the mirror and then the floating shelves right here, right in front of me. So now we're moving on towards the kitchen area. I'm taking a magic eraser and wiping this wall down because it was a little dirty. And then I'm moving my table back to where it belongs. Do not make fun of me about this table, guys. I got it a long time ago to stain a really pretty color. Me and my boyfriend tried to stain it. I hate the color. It's like a cool tone blue. Not what I was going for at all. So it took us all day. So I decided I gave up, and I'm gonna restain it soon. I will, but not I don't know, not today or tomorrow. You know what I mean? So shout out to my sister for getting me that cute Monstera book. I love it. I just gotten it that day. And now it's time to clean the kitchen. It looks messy, but it's just because everything's on the counter. I have to put away the cleaning products. I have to put away some dishes that I cleaned earlier. I'm taking a little water break because I don't drink enough water, so that's me trying. This is the bane of my existence. My cat cannot stop jumping on the counter, and he knows that it's bad, but he continues to do it. I know some people don't mind when the cats are on the kitchen counter. I am the type of person, it just drives me insane. So please help me. I'm taking suggestions, recommendations, anything. I filled up my water bottles, and then now I'm wiping down my counter. This is my coffee corner. I'm not proud of it at all. I had it decorated at one point, and then I got bored of it. So I bought some things on Amazon to really spruce it up. If you guys want me to do like a coffee corner transformation, I can definitely do that, like a video. So let me know down below, and I will do it if you guys are interested. No pressure. Now moving on to the stove, I'm using this stovetop cleaner. It is the best. It not only cleans the stove, but it also buffs it so it's nice and shiny. Highly recommend. It's awesome. And then to wipe down all of my stainless steel appliances in this kitchen, I'm using those wipes. Also very, very good. Does not leave streaks. And then I'm finishing off the kitchen counter. I'm gonna clean that little spot where my ZZ Raven is. And then today was also a microwave cleaning day. I don't do this as often as I should, but today was the day and we cleaned it. And then to wipe down the kitchen cabinets, I use Clorox wipes because it is the only thing that will not leave streaks. I don't want to use Clorox wipes, but everything else leaves like crazy streaks. I hate it, so that's what I used. It took 3 wipes to do the whole kitchen. And then finishing off with the garbage can. Don't forget to clean your garbage can, guys. It needs a good cleaning, okay? And then right when you walk in the apartment, this is the little section that you see, so I'm wiping that down with the Mrs. Meyer's lavender spray and the damp microfiber cloth. And then we are on to vacuuming and mopping. So once the floor is clean, I will put my mat back on the floor and then mop that. Super important, don't forget. And then it is time to clean the sink. This is the last thing that I do. I use Barkeeper's Friend and then I buff it in with that little brush. I got that from the Grove Collaborative, but you can find those at TJ Maxx, Amazon. Like, I paid way too much for it. So stupid. And then now that the sink is nice and shiny, the apartment smells good. It is clean, clean, clean. I didn't even get to do my bedroom and the bathroom, guys, because this took me so long. So this is my clean plant shelf. If you want a little plant collection, let me know down below. To end off this day, I got some wine. Me and my friends were gonna FaceTime, so I got some wine, and then I played Animal Crossing for the rest of the night. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I will see you next time. Bye.